आर पाटिल की बात करी जाए, किसी ने आपको लिखत या फोन करके अभी तक इस फिल्म के लिए बोला नहीं गया है कि आप उन्हें दिखाएं?
I really enjoy what I do because it's a challenge.
प्रकाश जी, कहीं अपहरण की बात करी जाए या गंगा जल की बात करी जाए या राजनीति की बात करी जाए, हर फिल्म आपकी जब भी कोई फिल्म आने वाली होती है कुछ ना कुछ विवाद निकल के आ जाता है। इसको कितना फायदेमंद या नुकसान मानते हैं एज अ फिल्म मेकर आप?
Going to smaller towns, I try to go to bigger towns and I try to make bigger crowds.
There is a saying in Gujarati which my mother used to often say कि सागर का सारा पानी एक ही इंसान पिएगा तो दूसरे लोग क्या पिएंगे. Prakash Jha is not just a producer, he's a director, he's a story writer, he's done dialogues, he's done costumes in some films, he has acted in 1 or 2 films, and is there something else? Edited, and he is really the envy of all the directors because he has the maximum national awards. I have not counted them, but there are innumerable. There are people who die for one national award, and here is a man who collects it every time in his new pocket. The movies that you direct are getting heavier in the cast, all big stars, particularly Rajneeti. It must have been a nightmare to handle so many people.
No, it was quite simple, quite easy. We did a lot of homework. I mean, we did pre-production for almost 1 whole year, very serious pre-production, and that is how sort of like, we shot the film in 102 days, whereas we were scheduled to finish it in 103 days. So we were 1 day early on that film. Parallel cinema movement should have been there, but I really enjoy what I do because it's a challenge. There is a particular scene, how to redesign this scene that it will become larger than life, how to put in the words and the dialogues which will sound dramatic, and somehow say things which I think is essential as far as the drama is concerned, and also the intent is concerned. And I try to sort of like instead of going to smaller towns, I try to go to bigger towns and I try to make bigger crowd, and I try to put in, these are all commercially kind of like viable, commercial viabilities which one thinks about. And also you realize that I try not to shoot in studios. I mean, I'm always shooting outdoors and I'm always shooting in real locations and real streets, and it requires a lot of planning, a lot of expense to be able to do that. But that's the way it is, and I quite enjoy the way. And I enjoy the fact that big actors agree to work in my movies, and I do get time to work with them before. So one has, as a production house, been doing well enough to produce one's own films, and some of the smaller films that I have been able to do. Marketing has become very expensive. Even if you make a very small film today, 4 or 5 crores, which is what I have seen. You need to spend about like 4 or 5 crores on the marketing of it. Otherwise, you're not able to reach it. And it's not that you have a segmented audience and you can do a segmented marketing and it will reach. This multiplex cinema, you will show your film, even if it is a small film, will charge the same ticket. And it's not that you have dedicated cinemas for smaller films or art films, which is what should have been the case. Then it would have been very, very easy, because even if you don't have big stars, you can still make, and they are making nice, good, experimental, smaller films, which are somehow sort of like getting to the mainstream exhibition system and are being noticed. And hats off to them. As far as I am concerned, I learnt about the SC/ST Commission, which is a very powerful body, and Mr. P.L. Punya, who is the chairman of that commission. That was before the censor saw the film. He wrote to censor board, apparently, saying that the film should be shown to him before a certification is given. Now, with all its wisdom, censor board took a decision to create its own kind of committee, which was a very extensive committee. and I was, in fact, I almost protested because usually there is 4 members are there in examining committee. There were 9 members in my examining committee. Members represented by scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC, activists, a retired judge, God knows. Like, I mean, they created a huge committee and they saw the film, and each one of them congratulated me for making this film, and each one said that it is thought-provoking, but it doesn't provoke any section of the society. They approved the film without a single cut.
आर पाटिल की बात कर जाए, किसी ने आपको लिखत या फोन करके अभी तक इस फिल्म के लिए बोला नहीं गया है कि आप उन्हें दिखाएं? अगर वो आपको कांटेक्ट करते हैं तो क्या आप फिल्म दिखाने के लिए रेडी हैं?
अगर वो मुझे संपर्क करेंगे तो सबसे पहले मैं उनसे पूछना चाहूंगा कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज है, ऐसा कौन सा सेंटेंस है, ऐसा कौन सा पात्र है, ऐसी कौन सी घटना जो है हमारे प्रोमोज में आपने देखी है जिस पर आपको आपत्ति है, मैं जानना चाहूंगा। और अगर वो सेटिस्फाई कर देंगे कि ऐसी कोई चीज है तो फिर मैं उनको बात करना चाहूंगा। और फिल्म दिखाने की जहां तक बात है तो फिल्म तो दिखाने के लिए बनाई गई है, फिल्म अपने घर में रखने के लिए तो बनाई नहीं गई। लेकिन वो बिना फिल्म देखे आप समझ सकते हैं कि उनका क्या मंशा, बिना फिल्म देखे, बिना मुझसे बात किए, बिना जाने, कि कम से कम एक फोन करके पूछ ले, भैया ये आप दिखा रहे हो, ये शब्द जो बोल रहा है सैफ अली खान, ये क्यों बोल रहा है, तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट उनको समझा दें। लेकिन वो मतलब तो है नहीं, मतलब तो कुछ और है, इलेक्शन आ रहे हैं, मतलब ये है, तो आप उनको अपना काम करने दीजिए, हम अपना काम।
प्रकाश जी, कहीं अपहरण की बात करी जाए या गंगा जल की बात करी जाए या राजनीति की बात करी जाए, हर फिल्म आपकी जब भी कोई फिल्म आने वाली होती है कुछ ना कुछ विवाद निकल के आ जाता है। इसको कितना फायदेमंद या नुकसान मानते हैं एज अ फिल्म मेकर आप?
सवाल अच्छा है। ये सभी लोग जो आज आपत्ति कर रहे हैं, भी नई बात बता दूं, इन लोगों के पास छगन भुजबल के बाद एक हाई कोर्ट में यहाँ पे PIL पिटीशन फाइल हो गया जिसके मंगलवार को सुनवाई है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट में OBC मोर्चा के लोगों ने एक पिटीशन फाइल किया है चीफ जस्टिस के सामने, उसकी अगले हफ्ते सुनवाई है। कल जयपुर में ब्राह्मणों ने अपनी महासभा कॉल करके और कहा कि ब्राह्मणों को गाली दे रहे हैं अपनी फिल्म में, इसलिए राजस्थान में ये फिल्म नहीं चलने दी जाएगी। राजपूतों ने राजस्थान में अलग से विद्रोह किया है। ये सभी जाति वाले लोग जो हैं ये एक एक करके उठ रहे हैं। जब तक फिल्म रिलीज होगी तब तक आधा हिंदुस्तान मेरे पीछे होगा, आप चिंता मत करिए।